Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. It's me, Kendra YT, and here we again for another vlog. So ayun po guys, ang ating vlog po ngayon ay 99 Nights in the Forest. Ayan po, kasama po natin yung ating mga followers. Ayan guys. Ayan. Kaya guys, chop na po tayo. Ayan. Our admin no. Oh man. Ayan guys. Kasi guys, pinayagan ko na sila. Na ako ng chance sa kanila na ma-join ko sila guys. Kasi kawawa naman sila kung hindi natin sila i-join. Ganun guys. It's true. Tell me where do I start? It's a break in my heart. I wanna let her go. Maybe someday. Joke lang. Guys, kumakanta talaga siya. Baka tayo makapiright niyan sa boses mong yan. Nakaka-haggard. Haggard, joke lang guys. Guys, let's save the kids. Cracky 4, I know the owner. Yes, Cracky 4 is the owner, guys. Maybe someday I find your bed. Hands up, Gabriella. Gabriella, hands up. Guys, mayroon akong sto dito kasi nawala. Di ko alam. Ayan po guys, hindi na po tayo nagtatower because po, busy na po tayo dito. Hindi na po. Sorry po. And tatagan ko na din po kayo ng chance. Maybe someday. Diyos ko po, day 1 pa lang, maaano na yung campfire. Maybe someday. Diyos ko po, walang tao dito po. Diyos ko po. Ayan guys, bago po tayo mag-ano dyan, syempre, kailangan muna natin sila na yung campfire guys. Ako na dito yung bahala. Bahala. Guys, napanood nyo na ba po yung vlog po natin sa 99 Nights? And also po guys, meron po tayo dong hacker na kasama. Ayan. Guys, I have a revolver. Oh, it's nice. Ayan guys. Ito pong mga kasama natin ay followers po natin to. Ayan guys. Followers po natin sila. I'm not joking. Promise guys, followers na followers talaga natin sila. I'm not joking, promise. Maybe someday. Ay, joke lang. Maybe fun. May lava, joke lang. Guys, bakit ngayon na yung campfire? Ay, campfire. Maybe someday. Ay, joke lang. Bakit ikaw pa ang napili? Ngayon ang puso ko ay suwi. Let's go save the kid bacon. Sige guys, kayo na mag-ano ng kid. Kasi why is she dire? Guys, she's dire. Baka ikaw pa yung sumunod girl. Baka di pa nga ako nakakahanap ng band-aid. Maybe someday I found you. Ay, joke lang. Guys, may yung pinsan ko guys, pag sinasabi ng medical chest, may lumalabas din guys. Hindi ko alam ano siya, legendary nga to. And hindi ko alam, medical chest. Tingnan natin guys. Mythical chest. Di naman gumana. Parang pinapagloko-loko lang ako nito. Why don't die? Guys, why you die? Guys, bakit kayo nadaday? Sana ba? No. Okay lang yan. I'm gonna save you guys. Guys, wanna play TSP? No, guys. Guys, doon na chest. Baka meron. Guys, wag niyo akong iwan. So, iwan niyo ako. Ganun lang. Wait lang kayo, guys. Guys, iniwan talaga nila ako. Ang galing. Ayan guys, mag-isa na lang tayo. Dahil iniwan po tayo ng mga kasamahan po natin. Pero, kaya po natin to. Diba guys? Let's kaya this, okay? Kaya natin to. Diba kasi malakas tayo? Malakas. Malakas tayo guys. I wanna let her go. Maybe someday I found you. Joke lang. Na, na, na. Let her go. Isa lang dapat yung lumalaban muna sa. Maybe someday I'll find you. Ano sinabi niya? Also, I want that wolf bell. That easy to call her, girl. Dami yung girl. Okay. Joke lang. Joke lang, nanginginig na nga ako eh. Gusto ko nang manakat eh. Joke, guys. I'm just joking. Okay rin joking. Diyos ko po. Maybe someday. Maybe someday. Edi wow. I'm stressed. I'm a fucking. I'm not fucking bad. I'm just a woman that band. Ayan guys. Diyos ko po. Samahan natin sila. No. Dapat makalayo sila dyan kasi guys, ganun lang. Wala lang. Gusto ko silang lumayo dun. Unlike you. Unlike you. Unlike you. Just say Gamba.